Normally, I don't deal with this particular subject matter, but I think it's. I want to put this out here. I did a couple. I think a couple of videos on this, but not too much. But anyway, this is out of the United States Food and Drug Administration. Just came out on June 19th, 2019. It says what you need to know and what we're working to find out about products containing cannabis or cannabis-derived compounds, including CBD. So it says you may have noticed that CBD seems to be available almost everywhere and marketed as a variety of products, including drugs, food, dietary supplements, cosmetics, pet food, and other animal health products. Let me make this a little bigger for you. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration recognizes the significant public interest in cannabis and cannabis-derived compounds, particularly CBD. However, there are many unanswered questions about the science, safety, and quality of products containing CBD. The agency is working on answering these questions through ongoing efforts, including feedback from a recent FDA hearing and information and data gathering through a public docket that is open for comment until July 16, 2019. So they're going to be issuing draft guidances on this. Yes, they do draft guidances on everything, just not about vapor products, by the way. Anyway, the recent increase in the number of CBD products may be because of both recent changes in state law, because the 2018 Farm Bill removed hemp, defined as cannabis and cannabis derivatives with very low concentrations, no more than 0.3% on a dry weight basis of THC, from the definition of marijuana in the Controlled Substances Act. However, CBD products are still subject to the same laws and requirements as FDA-regulated products that contain any other substance. Other than one prescription drug product to treat a rare, severe forms of epilepsy, the FDA has not approved any other CBD products, and there is very limited available information about CBD, including about its effects on the body. And then you could read that on the page. Talk about safety of CBD and CBD products. This is what they're really concerned about, the FDA. Some CBD products are being marketed with unproven medical claims. In fact, they're all marketed. I would say like 99% of them are. You go to any vapor product website that are selling CBD, they're always doing these health claims. And this will get them an FDA warning letter. So it says, unlike drug products approved by the FDA, unapproved CBD drug products have not been subject to FDA review as part of the drug approval process, and there has been no FDA evaluation regarding whether they are safe and effective to treat a particular disease, what the proper dosage is, how they could interact with other drugs or foods, or whether they have dangerous side effects or other safety concerns. Misleading and false claims associated with CBD products may lead consumers to put off getting important medical care, such as proper diagnosis, treatment, and supportive care. For that reason, it's important to talk to your doctor about the best way to treat diseases or conditions with existing approved treatment options. The FDA has also tested the chemical content of cannabinoid compounds in some of the products, and many were found to not contain the levels of CBD they claim to contain. So that's misbranded or adulterated. We have also heard reports of CBD potentially containing contaminants. For example, pesticides, heavy metals. We are looking into this. It says we are unaware, we are aware that there may be some products on the market that add CBD to a food or label CBD as a dietary supplement. Under federal law, it is currently illegal to market CBD this way. And there are vapor product sites, Freeman Vape Company, 8 Vape, you name it, on down the line. They all have it like that. And you cannot do that. You can't. It's impossible. Sorry, not even with the 2018 Farm Bill. You're going to have draft guidances that are eventually going to turn into a final rule in regards to CBD, and then you'll know exactly. Right now, under federal law, regardless of the 2018 Farm Bill in place or not, you cannot advertise or market your particular products as dietary supplements in regards to food and things of that nature. There's many food or edibles, even drinks, all kinds of stuff that have CBD in it, and that it's illegal. You can't do it. Sorry. I've been trying to tell you that, guys. You just don't listen to me. That's okay. The FDA is committed to sound science-based policy. The FDA is raising the safety, marketing, and labeling concerns with you now because we want you to know what we know. We hope that you will provide any data that you have to the public docket. And that's it, pretty much. All right? So CBD, in a lot of ways, are still very illegal. It's a legal product, guys. And it sort of plays into a little bit of what Envy or Network was saying about employers. This is part of the reason why an employer can put in their policy to test you for CBD. And if they test for CBD and it's positive, you can lose your job for it, by the way, according to the employer policy. Compounded with the fact that right now, even though 2018 Farm Bill states that you could have CBD less than 0.3% of dry weight because it doesn't contain that THC in there, under a lot of circumstances, it's still an illegal product outside of that one drug approval. And if you go to all these vapor websites, they all say about these health claims. You cannot say health claims. It's impossible. It's illegal, and you will get an FDA warning letter eventually. Anyway, I just want to share this information with you. You guys have a good one. Bye. Bye.